Today's the day we've been waiting for. We're finally here on the Norwegian Luna. I cannot believe how gorgeous it is. Does it look kind of like the Aqua or not? I don't know, but we'll be finding out over the next week with our series on the Luna. Well, the moment has finally arrived. We're ready to go. We're leaving our hotel, and I think we're going to end up walking to the shuttle. And I do want to make a purchase on the way to the Luna, but oh my goodness, it's so exciting. It's nothing like the first time boarding a ship. Miss Doricia, super great pizza. It was only €10 for
both of us.
Yeah, it was great. Look, you can see the ship in the distance. We just walked to the port shuttle bus. So this will take us right to the ship, which is just over there. And now we're just about to board the shuttle to go to the Norwegian Luna. Super easy, nobody in line. All right. Thank you.
And there's the first speck of the ship.
Well, the anticipation is building. We're just in line here at the security, and our friend Alex, he's already in the waiting room, but looks like it's going pretty efficiently because nobody is disembarking today. Hey everyone, we just checked in. That was lightning fast, and now we're going to board the Luna. Here it is. It's humongous. Look at the size of it. And there's our friend Alex. Hey, how's it going?
Hello there, KirkTori from KirkToriStory. Hello.
Oh, so good to see you, Alex.
And here we are to board the Luna.
Yay! First time, yay!
Almost there.
Almost there. Service. Hi. How are you?
Good, man.
Good. Steve.
Happy to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Whoa.
We are here. Let's see what the ship looks like.
Wow. Very pretty, eh, Kirk? It's got a lot of similarities to the Aqua, which is totally fine because the Aqua was also very comfortable. Just had to find my thing.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And of course now we're going to discover some of the food here. So we have some outdoor restaurants which we'll be discovering later this week. We have the buffet here which we'll also discover. Lots of food choices here. So I'm down here on the promenade deck and our cabin is just right up here. So we'll see if it is a little bit noisy with all the people lounging here throughout the day during our transatlantic cruise. This is the Ocean Walk. And this is just outside of our cabin. That is the drop, which I probably won't be doing. And this is where we'll be looking at the sail away party. And maybe we can indulge in the spa. Isn't this place gorgeous? Now, for those of you who want super indulgence, here's the vibe in the back of the ship. Lots of shopping options. And of course, we'll be exploring this over the next couple of weeks with you. Nice, beautiful hallway.
It is.
Wow, so the bags are already here, but look, it's all blocked. So if you would like to see what our cabin actually looks like, then I would suggest that you follow this link here where you'll be seeing our cabin 10266. It's a BB cabin. And I also will be featuring a whole bunch of different cabins on the Norwegian Luna. So I really appreciate you watching our channel. We're going to be doing a lot of exploring on Norwegian Luna. So we'll be covering the food, the events, all kinds of new entertainment that's expected on the ship. And we'll give you basically a play-by-play over the next couple of weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.